2022 Chevrolet Blazer. With less than 23,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, HID headlights, power driver seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.